Today is Sunday, October 22. I'm selling these as is for parts of repair. If you happen to see this video months from now, these may have already been sold. I sometimes leave the video up. I have these connected to one computer. The computer has an HDMI out and a display port out, and I believe the one that's directly from HDMI to the HDMI on the TV is displaying, and the other one isn't. But I'm going to do a manual switch the cable so you can see that the other one works also. Okay, I've switched the cable to the other monitor so it's directly connected to the HDMI of the computer. So right now I have these monitors, I'm using one remote control, and right now they're synced, but if one monitor receives the signal before the other one does, they won't be synced. So right now I'm going to press the aspect ratio to get the whole image on this screen. Aspect ratio. So I think it's they didn't receive the signal at the same time, so they got a different image. I'm gonna power them off again. Okay, I've powered them off and powered them back on so I can get back on, because I have one remote and I want to be able to show some of the settings so they'll display on both monitors. I'm gonna click the menu button. Okay, that menu button doesn't respond. This is not the original remote for this TV, so I'm gonna press the input. And I'm going to try to figure out which button is the menu button. Okay, so I'm pressing the settings button. And when you press the settings button, it brings up the menus. I'm going to go down, see what else is there. No, well, I guess this is just aspect. Oh, caption, sleep timer. Okay, so again, I was aiming at closer to one monitor and they're out of sync as far as pressing the buttons. So this one is on clock now, while this one is on lock. See if I can press this to get it audio. I'm going to try to get them both on the same. Okay, they're both on input again. Now I'm going to see if I can scroll down to, well, that's USB. When I stand back, it reaches the signal at the same time, but if I'm closer. Okay, now I'm sort of only aiming at this monitor, trying to get it back. It's back on in sync again. They're both on caption. Just trying to show some of the functions of the monitor being sold as is for parts of repair. Now this one right here has a crack here, and that causes a distortion in the sound. Other than that, these are both pretty good monitors. Now this one right here, you probably won't be able to see it on the screen. I do notice some scratches here that you can't see them when it's on the image, when there's an image on. See if I can put something on it so you can see that. Go back to picture. Oh, no. Try settings again. You probably won't be able to see some slight scratches that you can't see when the screen is on. Okay, so that's about all I can show you for the video. I'm going to take pictures of and I'm going to show the back of the monitors, or I can show the sides. Okay, so this is one monitor. There's a used monitor, has scratches on it. That's the back of one. I'm going to turn them both completely around in case someone wants to see all the inputs on the monitor. That's the back of the other one. Okay, this is probably some hotel serial number maybe. Okay. I'm gonna pause and turn both monitors around. This is the back of both monitors. I'm gonna go, and on this one side you just have RCA jacks and a USB port. It says USB in, and this is the inputs. It has 2 LAN ports. And as I said before, the H in the model number stands for hospitality, which is used in hotels. I've seen YouTube videos on how to get it out of hospitality mode, although I have not tried it. That's a sticker there, not too sure what it's for. This is the model and serial number sticker for this monitor. And the other one is basically this. It was the same thing. You got the RCA jacks here, USB, all the ports and connectors. Also, these both have a TV tuner. And the serial number, model number sticker for the other one. Okay, that's it. These also, they don't come with a stand. These are usually wall mounted. I mean, when people, the hotels usually wall mount them, and so I don't have the stand. Okay, that's it for these 2 monitors being sold as is for parts or repair. Or they both function well except for the one that has the bad speaker.